my son and I went to a storage locker that I bought this week, and it was a storage locker that said it was a private seller. And I had seen a bunch of auctions from this private seller in the past. I was kind of curious. Normally I don't buy those type of lockers because sometimes they can be sketchy. And so I met the guy, I talked to him for a little bit. Basically what he does is he does buy storage lockers, and then some of his leftover stuff that he doesn't want, he puts into this locker and sells it as a storage locker. So it's not exactly like a storage auction, but this one had some decent stuff in it. I've already went through it. You'll see what I found with my son. And there's going to be probably 2 or 3 parts because we were there for about an hour and a half. So to see everything we found, watch part 1, watch part 2, and watch part 3. So let's jump right into it. Little air compressor, not bad. This is cool. Check it out. There is some models. Got a Corvette convertible. Let's see, is it in there? Yeah, see. Let's see, is it brand new? That's the question. Is it brand new? Ooh, it's kind of partially built. Someone kind of partially built it, but that's okay. There's a couple more military ones. Let's see if they're in there, huh? So this looks like, I'm not sure how you, oh yeah, look at that. Brand new. Still in the package. So pretty cool. Some neat stuff. And this is cool. This is an armored car. It's a Panomag. I'm not exactly sure how you say that, but let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, brand new. Look at that. Never even been built. That's awesome. So some of these models could be 10, 20, 30 bucks a piece, something like that. So those are pretty cool. Ooh. All right. Let's see. Lots of models. Let's come in. Let's bring it in on it, huh? Wow, look at that. Check it out. Let's take a look at some of them. So, we've got, ooh, this is a cool one. 59 Cadillac convertible, brand new. Be right back. All right. Valvoline stock car, sweet. Pretty nice. Ooh, it's actually built too. That's actually pretty cool. Someone actually built it. Jack, look at that. Someone actually built the stock car. That's really nice. You did a really nice job on that. All right, why don't you get in there, see what else you can find. Man, there is some really cool stuff in here. Check it out. Look at, there's a, look in here, no, check in here. Check in here, look at, Corvette. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. I don't know, this is brand new, right? So look at it, let's see, what else is in here? Wow, it's like Christmas. If you like models, right? Home Depot, Monte Carlo. Look at that, brand new, not even built. Another bag of stuff, all right. We'll look through that in a second. All right, why don't you jump in here, see what else you can find. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, look at that. Huh? You gotta hold it over here so the camera can see. Come down in here. It's a Monza. Ooh, those are, yes. That's the year I was born, 1977. Oh, wow. It's totally a sign. Let's see. Oh yeah, someone started building it. They got glue all over it though. I don't know if you can get that glue off or not. That might be, yeah, see there's some of the, actually some rubber cement in there. Or plastic cement. So someone might want that for parts. All right, that's cool. What else we got here? Check this out. What's this? Oh, I saw this. Is this brand new in the package? Oh my gosh, this is like brand new in the package, Jack. These are like $80. Yeah, brand new online. I looked them up. I saw it in the picture. That's awesome. Oh, Shelby. This is a great car. 1968 Shelby GT. Wow. Holy cow, this is great. This is great, man. Just in this 2 boxes alone, I think we probably made our money back. And then look at that. We got a cool muscle. Another Shelby. Wow. That's $5 right there on the box. And then what do we got here? Lamborghini. Ooh, Lamborghini Diablo. So this one's a $6 model, but you know, some of these, because they may be older, they can be worth a lot more money. So yeah, it looks like someone started to put it together. It might be missing some parts, but that's pretty neat. All right. What do we got here? Oh yeah, that's the Jamaica. I don't know what that is. Those are very good. All right, let's repack this. Let's take a look. Looks like some, what is that? Wild Grinders. Looks like he's a Packers fan. JJ Talking Deluxe figure. I have no idea what that is. Ooh, we got a John Deere puzzle. What's this? Whiteout. Ooh, that's actually good stuff right there. Whiteout. Yeah, that's actually really good. So this is all, the rest of this looks like picture frames. Oh, that's someone's personal pictures we don't want to give on it. John Deere puzzle? Wow, that looks brand new, doesn't it? I don't think that's, well, let's see. Let's take a look. I don't even, yeah, it's still got the tape on it. Oh, it's brand new John Deere puzzle. Another brand new John, man, these are great. These are fantastic. This one's been open, but that looks great. I mean, who knows how all the pieces are in there, right? Here's another John Deere puzzle. Looks like it could have been brand new, but it was retaped. There's another John Deere puzzle in there. What else? What do you got in here? Bowling dice game. I don't know what that is. Puzzle, amazing animal puzzle, and other. Let's see what else we got. Wonder Woman, and wow, these are great. These are great right now because people are gonna want to buy puzzles because they're at home during the the virus, right? Yeah. I don't know if we're supposed to say that on our YouTube videos because people were saying that will demonetize you.
Like
books and stuff. Go ahead, you can go through it. Go ahead, you do it. You can talk. See what you got. All right.
Hey.
Oh, Duke. Okay, that's a good one. Yeah, set it off this side.
Okay. Batman.
Batman.
Notebook.
Batman notebook.
Webster. Oh.
Dictionary, in case you need to know what a word means, right?
Ghosts of War.
So good book. Simpsons book. So maybe some video games or something in there. Oh, empty video game case. Some movies, maybe. Oh, look at this. There's a couple bats back here. I didn't even see them.
Oh, wow.
That nice Easton bat. Yeah.
Wow.
And what else we got here? No, there's another bat here. 2 bats. I wonder if he knew those were even there. That's great. All right, awesome. We'll throw those up here. Okay. Sweet. What do you got? Oh, a bunch of Lego. Some Lego stuff. Oh, there's a lot of baseballs in there too. Those are worth some money, right? Or just keep them for us to play with.
Yeah.
That's great. Scary stories. Yeah. So we don't. Let's see. Let me check out what else we got. So there's a baseball signed by somebody. Game ball 617. A couple baseballs. That's good. All right. What else? What else? Anything else in there? Just mostly books. Assassin's Creed. Scary stories. What's this? Ghosts of War. Okay. Secret of Midway. That's gonna, this is a great time to sell books. People are gonna be at home, right? What's this?
No, like a game.
Oh yeah, game.
Like
PS4. So more scary stories. Looks like, right? Just books. Mostly all books. We don't have to go through all the books. What else is in here? Oh, charger and some headphone buds. What was this I saw over here on this side? It's a mouth guard. All right, let's throw the books back in there. Yeah. Coca-Cola, is it a puzzle?
Yeah,
wow, look at that. Oh, so someone started to make it, so it's halfway made. What's in that? Oh, a lot of probably books. Yeah. And what's that? Is that a Polaris over there or something? Oh, look at that. It's a Polaris jacket. Oh, Polaris ski bib. Oh, look at that. Probably fits you. Look at that. And you got Polaris. Nice. You got Polaris ski bibs. Wow. There you go. Look at that. Those are expensive to buy those. Wow. All right. What else is in there? Let's see. What else? Some socks. Some Christmas socks. And a lot of books. And there's a puzzle way down in there. And hey, there's some scrap metal here. Stephen King. These are pretty popular books. I don't know if All Quiet on the Western Front. So there's just some interesting books in here as well. Let's see. Oh yeah, you know what? Look at this. There is. I like these. Oh, there's a plain old tackle box. So you put your stuff in it for fishing. Paper table covers for Christmas. Brand new, great. Some pretty neat little dolls. And looks like a lot of knickknacks in here. Let's just open something and see. Probably a glass or something. Oh, look at that. It's actually red velvet Paris perfume. Wow. Pretty neat. Look at that. Some beautiful little angels. And there's some more Christmas stuff in here. There's more ornaments. There's this large doll, which is brand new in the box. Look at that. That's cool. What else is in here? What's in there? Careful, it might fly out everywhere. Jersey, what's this? Ooh, some little bit of costume jewelry in here. Yeah.
Oh wow, there's some tools.
Oh, some tools?
For like cutting.
Ooh, that's for modeling. That's for doing models. Yeah, let's see. Let's check it out. Let me see it. Break it down here. Yeah, so you can use these razor blades for cutting your little plastic pieces out. So that can go with the models. That's great. All right, put that in the model. Wow, what do we got in here? It looks like a little glasses case or something. Old pens. Some old Schaefer pen. Probably not worth anything though. All right, we won't go too deep into this one because it's mostly knickknacks and paddywhacks. But that's kind of fun. We'll pull this chisel out. A nice little unit for cleaning carpets. It's a shampooer. And it still has the tag on it. Look at that. All right. This is a cool little table. Look at that. What's inside there? It's an old boot. Where's the other boot that's on the other side? Oh, it is. That's too funny. Look at this. This is a sweet little table here. Check that out.
Might be like a mudroom.
Wow, look at that. It's really nice. There we go. Okay, so now, yeah, that's a nice little table. That's great. I love it. I love it. Wow. Very cool. And you got matching boots. So, what size are they? They were $4.99 at Goodwill. They're size 0? Does that make a sense? I don't know. Size 0.
Yes, that could be
Like maybe Jakey could wear those. I'll give those to Jessica. Jessica, okay. Let's put this out over here. Look at this. A tent.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's like 30, 40 bucks right there. Wow, that's great. That's great. All right, what else? This is cool. Jack, here's some sort of game player system down here. I think this works. What is this down here? Oh, it's stuck on there. Oh, they were using it to prop it up because one of the legs is broken. Okay, so it's a table that opens up like this, and on the other side it opens up. Wow, that's pretty neat. And then what are these? Oh, these are the chairs. Wow, this is really nice. It needs to be fixed. It needs some repairs. I think somebody could fix that. But that is really neat. Wow. All right, can you grab this side and kind of help me roll it out? All right, what do we got here? Xbox?
No, doesn't look like. Oh wow.
Xbox 360. We should try it and see if it works. Yeah. Xbox 360. All right, we'll put that over here somewhere. Got a lamp here that's marked $50. Oh, so we got this. Is a, you know what this is? It's a little broken. Yeah, it's kind of broken. Someone might want to restore it, but it's a piano stool. So you spin this part. You would spin this part. Oh, there you go. To raise up the height. See how the height is coming up? You raise up the height of your stool that way, and you can lower it. So this part is broken, but it could probably be re-welded back or something. So if someone really wanted to fix it. It's pretty neat though. I don't know what, oh, look at this. This is another vintage table. So it's like a folding table. All right, clicks in there. And oh, it's kind of broken here though. It's kind of broken down here. It'd have to be re-glued maybe, or maybe someone did try to fix it already. But it's actually a pretty nice little vintage table. I like it. Pretty neat. And then it just clips here, and it just it'll fold. So then it'll store in the corner of your wherever, or maybe like this. Just store it in the corner. Boom, just like that. When you need it, you flip it down. I like it. It's cool. Some unique pieces there.
More boxes. There's some more boxes.
More boxes? Go ahead, get in there, grab some.